All right, guys, I'm gonna make a real quick video here. This is basically like a stand-up jet ski dolly that I built. Pretty much just used kind of some, some of these pieces were scrap 2-inch or 1.5-inch tubing that I had left over from another stand that I built. So I've got these back pieces. Basically, it's 14 inches wide. And it's 18 inches tall. So this back piece is the tires are 12 inches, so you got 6 below. So you end up with 12 inches from here to here. And like I said, it's 14 wide, and then you got your tires. So it gets you 18 on the back, and then that front piece is 18 inches. And 14 wide, same. So basically, pretty simple, pretty straightforward, works really, really well. This one here is 7 feet. I don't know that you need to go the full 7 feet. I think I might have been able to shorten it up. I was a little worried with my X2 being able to keep the motor weight here and not making it tip, but yeah, it turned out pretty decent. I just used some bolts, 3/4 inch bolts, shoved them in the tubing there, welded them in, and then those are just some like your Harbor Freight tires they sell, so they're like 30 bucks or something like that. So might have $100 in this with the metal and everything. So, but yeah, that's it. Again, jet ski sets right on it. This X2 comes out to about right in here, so you got plenty of room to grab the handle. Picks it up, moves it around. I am going to put a pool noodle on the pipe and tape it down to it, so that way it doesn't scratch it up. You can already see where I've had it on there and it's scratched, but works nice. Basically what I wanted this for is to be able to take like my stand up here that's in here right now. It's sitting just on actually it's an old swing, but it's sitting on it for now, but I'll get it put on here, and then that'll allow me to take it out of the shed to the alley and load it in and out of the trailer, but yet still get it in here. So that's kind of what I built this for. It's not really for taking to the lake, I guess, or anything like that. It's basically just to get my 2 jet skis from the alley off the carrier or off the trailer into the shed. So and the nice thing is also I can use this, I can stick them on it and store them in here, and they're like the perfect height to work on. So this one here, it's been a while. I don't know that I've got a video on this. I'll do a quick walk around on this in another video, but this is my new 650 that I picked up. It's got a lot of aftermarket on it, but I'll do a walk around on that. But that's one reason why I've got that. So I'll get it thrown up on this and then do a quick kind of walk around and fire it up. But yeah, kind of want to show this, and very simple. If you guys are looking at or needing something like this, it's really, really nice. Again, this one's 18 inches, which puts it pretty close to a carrier. So you can roll this right out to the drive or wherever you need it and put it right on your carrier. It's, like I said, it's really, really nice to get it in and out. Again, probably could have went shorter. This is it's actually touched over 7 feet because I ended up welding a little handle on the end, and I probably could have cut that down and slid the jet ski, the front of it out past these cutoffs here, and probably cut it down a foot and kind of moved it all in a foot, which 6 foot, I think it would make it a little more maneuverable. But if I build another one, which I probably will for a buddy, I'll probably shrink it and see what it works, because I think on the stand-ups it'll work a lot better than on the X2. The X2 is heavy and it's a little bulkier. So, but anyway, if you guys have questions on this, feel free to ask. I'll try to help you guys out. And again, like I said, this is kind of go over it again. This is 1-inch pipe and 1.5 inch square tubing, 18 inches tall by 14 inches. So pretty simple. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next one.